What is up, Pig Gang? It's your boy Manny V Gaming coming to you live. First and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you guys. We hit 500 subs. That's a big number for me, you know what I mean? Whenever I first started this, I didn't think I'd be getting any. So, 500 is a big bump. But it's not about the subs, man. It's all about the content. So today, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on how to cut stream delay on your YouTube live stream. Now, YouTube doesn't make it very easy on you guys. It took me a while to find a workaround. But this is the best way for you to get that stream delay to the minimum. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Much love to the Pig Gang. Thank you guys again for the 500 subs. Let's go on and get into the video. Alright guys, now usually I would leave timestamps down below to show you what part of the video you would skip to, but you're gonna want to watch all this video just because it's a long process sorta, and if you skip a step it's probably not gonna work for you. So let's get started. So first of all, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click this create a video or post signal up in the top right next to your emblem. You're gonna click that and then you're gonna click go live. Now it's gonna ask you if you want to reuse your settings or create new settings, and since this is a new video, I'm just gonna dismiss this and create new. So it's just gonna be anything public. You're gonna add a description if you want to. I would recommend doing that. It helps people find your video. Add a gaming title. That's definitely a must have. You're gonna click whatever you want. You can schedule it for later. Upload a custom thumbnail directly from your PC. And then of course it's the age restriction. Now make sure you get this right, because if you do not get this right and YouTube reviews your video, they will take it down. Now what you're going to want to do is create stream. Now when you create this stream, there's going to be options right here on the bottom left. That's for your latency. Latency is what has the delay, and what you're going to want to do before it goes away, because it gives you a certain amount of time before it won't let you edit it anymore. You're going to click low latency. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Now right here, click ultra low latency. You don't have to worry about this unless you're, trying to do 4K resolutions, But now that you have this on ultra low latency, it's gonna make it to where you have the smallest stream delay possible, which I think is around 3 seconds, which is better than their normal latency, which is about 16 seconds. It's terrible.
That's terrible.
Now that you got those settings put in, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to your streaming service. Now mine has always been and probably will always be Labs Obs, just because I've used it for a long time and I've never had any problem with it. But what you're going to want to do, go into Labs Obs. Now when you go here, you're going to click go live. Now it's automatically going to find your event that you created in the YouTube studio, because they're linked. Once you link up your account to Labs Obs, it'll automatically find stuff like this. But go into event and you'll find the stream you just created. Mine was G, so you'll click that and it'll already have the title and description and everything like that inside this video once you make it inside the other account. So like once you add the title and description in YouTube, it'll automatically transfer it over to Labs Obs. Mine just says that because I didn't add anything like that. You don't have to worry about these two boxes. They don't really matter whenever you're trying to do a live stream. And then you'll click confirm and go live. No, I'm not going to do that because I don't, obviously I'll go live on YouTube and I don't need to do that right now because I'm trying to make a video for you guys.
All right, Pinhead, your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead?
But once you guys have that done and your stream is up, you can go ahead and close the YouTube live streaming thing in the background. You're not going to need it because you've already started your YouTube live stream. It's already running on the settings that you have it set for, and it's just less, memory being used while you're trying to do the stream, and it helps out a little bit. But once that's all set up, then you guys should be good running, on the lowest latency possible, talking to your viewers, because nobody likes that little delay in between your YouTube videos, you know what I mean? I hope this helps somebody out there. Much love to the Pig Gang. Thank you guys again for the 500 subs, man. It means a lot. Hopefully we can keep on growing. Much love to the people, that help me out up here. We got Typical Irish Gamer, Death Matter TV, James Gype, Slurpee, Riley, all the homies. And if I missed anybody's YouTube channel, I'm sorry. I don't really got a list in front of me, but much love to you guys. Manny V Gaming, out.
I'm here to school you to the rules of the game and a culture. Think you all that hostess cause she let a nigga toss her. It's like a motherfucking privilege. So don't give a free conversation. Get that bitch your 7 digits, switch and call ya. That's that little tramp, what's up? And if she hesitate, nigga hang up.